Last week, we showed you the Design VAT payroll template, which was pretty fancy and could handle up to 200 employees, plus all the leave tracking and tax deduction stuff. Well, today we're going in the opposite direction with something super simple. We've got a basic Excel tax calculator that does one thing really well. Just plug in your monthly gross salary and your annual rent, and boom, the spreadsheet automatically calculates your net salary for you. Pretty handy, right? Let's dive in.
Just punch in your monthly salary to get started. Then tell it what percentage you're setting aside for your pension, usually around 8%. Next up, add your annual rent, which is basically what you're paying your landlord every year. After that, let the spreadsheet know if you're signed up for NHF housing and how much you're contributing to NHIS. If neither applies to you, just throw in a 0 and move on. That's seriously it. The spreadsheet comes with some default assumptions to make your life easier. It'll fit your basic at 40%, housing at 20%, and transport at 15%. But here's the cool part. You can totally tweak these percentages to match whatever your company's got going on. Once you've plugged in everything, the magic happens. It automatically calculates your total tax for the month and spits out your net salary. Pretty sweet, right?
Now, let's mess around with some of the parameters and watch what happens. You'll notice that the whole calculator updates automatically whenever you change one or more of them. That's the magic of this dynamic calculator right there.
Head over to www.designvat.com to grab your own copy.